Another day, another project. So we got these covers. They're specifically made for these seats. So we can, got a hammer. Just taking off the strap. Everything else should be pretty straightforward. Anyway, we'll show you the end results.
Now we're cooking with gas.
Alright, so here's the before. I forgot to take the before of the first one. I already taped this up. You're supposed to tape it before you put anything over it. But you can see it's, you know, it's cracked and whatnot. And then here's the one we finished. Look at that. We need to clean it here because we were working on that white surface, so. But yeah, I mean, it's quite the difference. I'll take it. Well, end result right here. Look at these bad boys.
Look at them bad boys.
Seriously, you guys did awesome on them.
I think so too. That's a pro job right there. Oh, we're out here. It is so hot today. And by the way, that's not me complaining. I will never complain about the heat ever again after living through Indiana and Michigan winters. And I used to live in Nebraska before here, so yeah, you'll never hear me complain about the heat. I'm so stoked. Like, I am so happy right now. It is like 90 degrees, 92, 93 degrees. And yeah, it's gonna be a great day out on the water, God willing. By the way, we still love our boat. We're gonna take her out. We're just gonna have some fun on the jet skis, you know. It is windy. Can't really tell, but there is a strong current and wind pushing you that way. Beautiful day to be out here. Thank God. Truly thank God for this. Well, I see some white caps all the way over there. So it's gonna be a fun day for jet skiing. The plan is to go, there's a little river that I saw on the GPS when I came here with the nephews and nieces last week, where like halfway from New Buffalo to Michigan City, yeah, there's a river to go check it out and see what's up with that. So yeah, it'll be fun. Hopefully we can make it out there. We'll see. I like this hat a lot. I don't want to lose it. I gotta say, the water feels so good. The water feels so good right now because it's so freaking hot. Here we go. There's the entrance to it, I think, right over there. I think that's where we want to go. Check it out, see if there's a little river. That's what I saw on the GPS. Here they come. Ah, no! The GPS totally lied to me. Oh, that's a bummer. That's a bummer. Yeah, a little bit of an entrance there, but definitely not enough for jet skis or any watercraft really, so well, we tried. Let's see what's next. Let's see what we decide to do next. Well, I guess we're going to Michigan City. That's what we've decided. Now I gotta catch up with them. Nice out here. I'm jumping in. I'm jumping in. Don't kill me with that thing. It's a good looking seat. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This is dangerous, Sid. Alright, we're almost there. You can see Michigan City right there. Lake's got a little bit more choppy. Not bad at all for jet skis, but there are a little bit of, you know, you can see some white caps here and there. But still, it's absolutely beautiful. Alright, man. Alright, let's get to Michigan City. It's almost there. There's a bunch of people, of course. It's beautiful though. Engine light. See what that's all about. Oh, we made it. We made it, but it's always something. Now I just got to check engine light on my jet ski, and I hope it's nothing serious because we got to make it back. I guess we'll see. Hopefully we can dock here and, you know, check what's going on. Yeah. Anyway, still a beautiful day. Blessed. Jesus be with us. All right, well, it's always something. Check engine came on, then it hasn't come on since. Oil level seems to be good. Checked online. It seems like it's a known issue that these have faulty sensors with the oil pressure level, and then it starts creating that check engine line because the engine temperature is normal. Everything seems to be good. Didn't come back on again after I shut it down. So I'm hoping it's a sensor. We're hoping it's a sensor, but at least for now, we're gonna try and head back and see what happens. So. Oh, wish us luck. Looked it up and it turns out that there's an error code that the jet ski's given us, which is P0616, and it basically means that there's something going on with the starter relay. So it's not anything mechanical with the engine. That's what I mean. It feels normal. Anyway, we'll see. Wish us luck. I just hope that everything goes smoothly. All right, welcome to Bridges. We've been here once before, haven't we? It's not the same one? I think it is. I think we walked all the way here.
So I got the pirate theme and all
Yeah, think so, but
Top of town, I can spend a few days there.
still there? That's good. Oh, a menu flew away. That wasn't us though. There's a menu flew away. Well, I guess that code was right, and it is something with the starter because it won't let us start this one right now. It could be starter solenoid, it could be a fuse, it could be a number of things. That's why you have ropes and getting towed. All right, worst things have happened. It's all good. Well, we got it started. Well, this guy did. Something fell a little loose, and God, I hope that fixes it. All right, but we're up and running. Thank the Lord. All right, good stuff. It's always something, man. It's always an adventure. Always an adventure. All right, I hope it doesn't come back on, and I hope it doesn't turn off. So, let's see what happens. Oh, sometimes God smiles on you. Almost home, look. See a buffalo right over there. Tied up for now. We're gonna get in there. We're gonna see what's loose because there's something loose with the relays, but other than that, I mean, it's running fine.
Looks great too.
Looks great, yeah.